Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I love making things from scratch. I love taking it right down to the nitty-gritty and figuring out how to make absolutely everything. And what I want to show you right now is vanilla extract. And this is one of my vanilla extracts. It's been sitting for 6 months, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make your own vanilla extract. You want to start by getting some vanilla beans. I bought these at my local supermarket. They're about $8 for 2 of them. You can also get them at places like a bulk food store or even on the internet, but I find they're a really good price at the supermarket. And the other ingredient you want is a clear alcohol. You can do rum, but it's gonna add a bit of flavor. I'm using vodka, and I just grabbed this bottle. I forget how much it was. It was like $30, but that's gonna last me a ton of time. So you wanna start by cutting into the vanilla bean. And I'm not cutting all the way through. I've just cut through it so that I can open it up, and on the inside is all this black paste, and that stuff is like liquid gold. And I'm going to scrape all of that out. Oh, look at it all. Like, it's just, there's so much of it. I'm gonna just put it here for now. Okay. And I'm gonna scrape all of my beans like this. So, you don't have to pull the seeds out. You can easily put the seeds into your vodka and get it to age in the bottle with the seeds. I find I like using the seeds for things like creme brulee and other fancy desserts like that. And so if you leave a few in there, that's okay as well. Okay, so this is just gonna sit in my fridge until I need it. So I'm just gonna cover it, and that's just gonna go in the fridge for a while. And so when I wanna make creme brulee, for instance, I would just use that, and it adds a really strong vanilla flavor. So next, you just 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's get all this little good stuff in there. I'm gonna put the cap back on, give it a light shake, and 6 months from now, it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna store this in a dark spot, and I can start using this, and it is amazing vanilla extract. So I look forward to reading your comments below, and thanks for watching.